Genesis, that's where everything started. Genesis 1 verse 14, God said, "Let there be lights in the expanse of the heavens to separate the day from night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and for years." So Scripture tells us, stars were created for signs, seasons, days, and years.
Psalm 8:3, "When I look to your heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars which you have set in place.
I will show wonders in the heavens above." And then Psalms 19, 1 and 2, "The heavens declare the glory of God."
Can you bind the chains of the Pleiades, or loose the cords of Orion? Can you lead forth the Mazzaroth in their season, or can you guide the bear with its children? Do you know the ordinances of heaven, and can you establish their rule on earth?